Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is again we're gonna pull some more Pokemon cards here in my channel. So okay, without further ado, let's gonna start it up pulling some new Pokemon cards this year. Okay, so here it goes guys. So I have some three, and then also I've got some mini booster box and also one booster box right here. So, okay, just gonna start it up, unboxing it all. Okay, then here it goes. Then I think this one right here is the holographic. I think right. And again, yeah, I got another Sylveon and a Twitter and also some Locario, new Volcan, another Twitter and a Sylveon again. Okay, we've got some Chandelier VMAX. Available VMAX are written as things here and another Ambrillion and also another Garchomp. Sorry, and then also another Volcan, a Charina, Ingredient, Rillaboom, and another Sylveon VMAX. And also, gonna put that in the evolution, and then we've got some Whimsicott V, Astro, Arbrilum, Greninja, Abominable, Umbreon VMAX again, okay, Luxray, and another Luxray, and again another Umbreon VMAX, and what is this one? Calyrex, Ice Rider, right? Ice Rider, Calyrex, VMAX, and then we've got some Sandaconda VMAX right here. Okay, and then what is this? Okay, we're gonna check this out, right? We're gonna check it out. We're gonna check that out, and oh, it's a fighting type. Okay, let's go gonna check this out. What is this fighting type? And it is the same color with the Santa Ponda VMAX, right? Okay. Impact Blow and then Laser Focus. Oh, and it's a single strike or Shifu V. Okay, I think I have this already. Okay, I think I have that already, so I'm gonna have to file this up and put this aside. It's because my table is so small. Okay, I don't have a big table for my vlogging setup, right? I don't have a table for my vlogging setup, so that's why it is so okay. And we got some scenes here, and Umbreon again, and another Garchomp, a Volcan, a Charina, Gradient, Rillaboom, a Sylveon VMAX, put that in the evolution again, Whimsicott, okay, Breloom, Greninja, Abominable, and also another Umbreon VMAX. We've got some Luxray over here, another Luxray, and we've got some another Umbreon VMAX, or it is a redundant, and also the Ice Rider Calyrex, right? VMAX work, okay, and also another Sandaconda VMAX, Blaziken VMAX, and an Umbreon again, okay. And we've got some scenes here. We're gonna put one, and then we've got some Urshifu, Rapid Strike VMAX. Okay, we're gonna put this one. Okay, there you go. And we've got some Tapu Koko again. Again, a Victini, a Volcan, a Garchomp, and also another Umbreon V. Okay, what is this one? Okay, it's upside down. Okay, it's an upside down. And then we got some again fighting type. Okay, fighting type again. So we just check that one. G-Max Cyclone and also a Sun Force. Oh, okay. It's a Sandaconda V-Max. Oh, nice one right there. So I get some new pulls from the Sandaconda. Oh, I didn't have this. I didn't have a Sandaconda in our holographic, right? So okay, and okay, on to the last. Okay, we've got some. I think this will be the holographic. So okay, that will be the holographic. I think yes, that's right. Okay, and we've got some cardboard, a Wobbuffet, and also a Charina. Ooh, the Yalga, right? Okay, and we've got some Avalag. So I've got the Yalga basic regular card, Avalag, a Luxury, and still a Garchomp. Okay, a Genosec, and a Qfan. Okay, so what is this? Okay, it's reversed upside down. Okay, you know the color, right? You know the color, right? Yes. And then we've got some. It's a dark type. Oh, okay. It's a dark type Pokemon. So let's gonna check that out. Okay. There you go. There you have it. So let's go gonna check that out. Okay. Transformation Phantasmal. Okay. And it's a Zoroark. Yes. Oh, nice! Got some Zoroark. Whoa, we got some nice food over here. So this is gonna be an interesting new year, everyone. This is gonna be an interesting new year that you can pick it up. So look at that one. This hollow. So this is a semi-hollow right there, but it's still worth it, right? Okay. Okay, that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. So again, see you again on the next video, everyone.